Hello, hello, and huge congratulations on getting started in your Helo business. And very excited to share over the next just very quick few minutes a few simple steps that will help you really guarantee the results that you're looking for and get your business off the ground right away. It's fun, it's easy, it's so simple to do. And one of the biggest secrets to this particular business is we get to move fast. It doesn't take long to start making money and to start getting results. Literally by the end of today, you can start to create momentum in your business with these few simple steps. So thanks for tuning in. My name is Jeremy Roma, and just honored to be able to share these 3 slides with you here today. Literally, it's going to be that simple. You want to grab a pen and paper for sure. Make sure you take some notes because there'll be some information, some websites and different things that we give out as well during this quick getting started training. I want you to keep in mind that the system we're going to talk about here today is breaking records around the world. As a company, we are seeing just phenomenal things take place, and we want to invite you to not attempt to reinvent the wheel because it works. It's truly duplicating and getting the results that you're looking for. Whether those results are a few hundred extra dollars a month, or maybe you're looking for a couple thousand or a few thousand extra dollars a month, or maybe you're here today to really hit a financial home run. This system will help you reach those goals. John Maxwell says something very powerful. He says that the #1 leadership principle in the world is that people do what people see. So as you begin to share the videos with people, you begin to follow this system and get the word out about the Helo, and you do it the right way, you're literally training your future team by setting the example and setting the precedent based upon their experience that you've delivered to them. So enjoy these next 3 slides. Hopefully this will help you really say, oh, it's this simple. This is what we do to get results. And then let's leave this video today and really take action and go out and have some fun together, getting your business started right away. So I'm going to talk to you first about a quick, simple system called running the bases, and based upon the philosophy of a baseball diamond. And of course, we all start out at home base. And at home base, it's very simple. You're going to make your list of names, people that are in your network, within your reach. You're going to have some folks that are peers. You're going to have some folks that look up to you. You're going to have some folks that you look up to them. And what you're going to want to do here is simply make a list of every single person that you have contact with. And the biggest piece of advice that I can give you is to not prejudge. I want to tell you that in this industry, I have left people off of my list that eventually joined with other people in other people's organizations because I didn't reach out to them first, because I prejudged them. And I want to tell you that you never know. Sometimes we prejudge for different reasons. There might be people in your network that you think, oh, they wouldn't be interested in something like this. They're successful in business already. They have this going and that going, but you never know. You may have other folks in your network that you say, well, they're not really business minded, but that's what's so exciting about this particular product is people that aren't even business minded people are having tremendous success because it's so fun. It's so easy to share. And so you don't want to prejudge. You want to make a list and literally make the list, like literally get a pen and paper out, write down the names and numbers so you can track your results, so you can have some accountability with yourself there and say, okay, here's the people I've talked to, I haven't talked to, here's the text messages I sent out, here's the folks that have responded positively, that want more information. There's something magical that happens when you put things in writing. And you don't want to just say, oh, I've got them in my phone, I'll get to them, I'll scroll through and randomly message people. You want to really create a plan of action. And it starts with making your list of names and getting that pen and paper out and writing that list down. I always recommend a list of no less than 100 contacts. Some folks do several hundred. There's no limit, obviously, to that. When you start throwing in Facebook and social media, those contacts can go up and go into the thousands of people as well. So make your list of names is step 1, home base. Then we're going to go to first base, and it's very simple. We're going to share the videos. And in the next couple of slides, I'm going to show you how to access different links and what links to use to share the videos. But it literally is that simple. It's as simple as sending a text message out or a Facebook message, or I love to pick up the phone and make a phone call to folks that I have some relationship with. And it's very simple. I just say, have you seen this yet? It's like a Fitbit on steroids. You want to just be yourself. Don't come across markety or salesy. Just be yourself, right? OMG, Fitbit on steroids. Have you seen this video yet? And you can share that. Sometimes I've sent text message out that says, have you seen this yet? Would love your feedback. We're bringing it to the US, right? It creates intrigue, and then I'll just send the link to the videos. And I promise you, it's that simple. You don't want to oversell this. You don't want to be the presentation. You want the tools, the videos, to do the presenting on your behalf. Our job is simply to share the videos, and some will love it, some won't be interested. Everyone you send it to will agree that you've got your hands on something very, very special. That's one of the things that I love about this business is I feel bulletproof because I know that I can talk to any person in business, any person, no matter how successful or my friends or my family, whether they join or not, whether this is a product they're interested in or not, they all agree this is a genius concept, and the product that we have is definitely an amazing one. And so you're going to earn respect from people. Here's the other thing. They're going to refer you to people. I've had folks that I put on my list that weren't interested, but I shared the videos with them. They passed the videos on to someone else, and those individuals ended up becoming interested. So step one is make the list. Step two is share the videos. Then from there, we're simply going to follow up. A great follow-up question to ask is, what did you like most about what you saw? It's that simple. What a simple question. It's open-ended. It lets them guide the conversation. What did you like most about what you saw? Now, you're going to have some folks in your network that they don't need three-way calls. They know you, love you, trust you. They're going to enroll directly with you on the spot when you answer any questions that they may have. But you may have other folks in your network. Maybe they've had more success than you. Maybe you need third-party credibility for whatever reason. You need to bring in somebody else. Myself and the other leaders in your support team, we are available for three-way calls. And so if you have individuals that have questions that you can't answer, or you feel like some third-party credibility will help solidify things for them, then in that follow-up process, certainly set up a three-way call and introduce them to some of the leaders. So make your list, share the videos, follow up, and then very simple, guys, get them enrolled and get them to watch this website, myhelobiz.com, where they can see how simple it is. They can get plugged into the resources that we've made available to the team. And this is the getting started page for everyone who enrolls, who wants to share this and earn additional income by sharing. So again, it is that simple, guys. Make a list, share the videos, follow up, get them enrolled, and get them to myhelobiz.com where they can get started. I want to talk to you next about the 5 steps to Diamond. This is the system that Nat and Chanita put together. They are the global master distributors. This system is creating record growth around the world, and we're just seeing amazing things happen here. You know, we have folks that are literally getting promoted 2 or 3 times before their product even arrives. I've never seen anything like this. Where literally they enroll, and some of them the same day they enroll, they start sending the videos out, and they get themselves rank advanced 2 or 3 times before their product pack even arrives. So this 5-step system to Diamond is so powerful. Step 1 is get promoted or get yourself upgraded to the executive pack, and make sure that you've activated your loyalty membership if you haven't already. Make a plan to get promoted or to upgrade yourself to the executive pack, and make sure that immediately, if it's not already, your loyalty membership is active. Step 2, become a team builder with 2 personal enrollments. Now watch this. If you enroll 2 people at the executive pack, one on your left and one on your right, it promotes you to the 20% commission level. Powerful, guys, and you're locked into that top commission level for the rest of your career with this company. So become a team builder. Again, we've got folks doing this in their first 24 to 48 hours simply by sharing the videos with their closest friends or business partners, and they're enrolling 2 people immediately before their products even arrive. Remember, I opened up by saying the secret to this business is speed. You want to move fast. And we want to help you get promoted to team builder within your first couple of days in this business. Step number 3 is we want to help you get promoted to team developer by helping your 2 people enroll 2 people. How do they do that? It's simple. They follow the baseball diamond. They send out the videos. They follow up, and they enroll their first 2 people. Well, when you help your first 2 enroll their first 2, you're promoted to team developer. And this unlocks a whole bunch of components in the compensation plan for you. This is a requirement for rank advancement. It's a requirement for the check matching bonuses. Team developer is a pivotal promotion in your business. Step 3 is become a team developer by helping your 2 enroll their 2. And then step 4 is you want to enroll 5 business partners on the left and 5 business partners on the right. Now, you have many folks that'll just become customers, that maybe they'll share and make a little money by sharing, but they're not really looking to build this as a business. What we're looking for in step number 4 is 5 people on your left and 5 people on your right that you personally enroll who really want to treat this like a business. They are interested in making money, and they're interested in building this as a business. And that's step number 4. Enroll 5 business partners on the left and 5 business partners on the right. And then step 5 is help those 10 people become team developers. In other words, help them repeat step 1, step 2, and step 3. And when you help those 5 on your left and those 5 on your right become team developers, you have set yourself up for diamond. This is the structure. What's going to happen is from this group of individuals that you put together, by helping them enroll 2 who enroll 2, you've got a growing organization, and you're going to find some leaders in that group who really take this thing and run with it. And that's the structure for diamond. So step 1, get upgraded to the executive pack and activate your loyalty membership if you haven't already. Step 2, become a team builder immediately, as quickly as possible. Start sending out those videos, and let's enroll your first 2, one on the left, one on the right. Step 3, become a team developer by helping them do the same thing. Step 4, enroll 5 business partners on the left and 5 business partners on the right. And step 5, help them become team developers by repeating steps 1, 2, and 3. Here's some, in the last slide for this quick video, some important, very important resources for you to write down here today. The first one is an instant site where you can start sharing the 7-minute video and the compensation plan. If you have not yet watched the 15-minute compensation plan video, I encourage you to make that your next step. Go back and watch the 15-minute compensation plan video so you can see what is possible for you and your family with this business. That website is www.helo.life. And this is a website you can send anybody and everybody to immediately upon enrolling. You can start sharing this website with the people that you know. The next website is teamworldchangers.com. This is a website that we put together for the team. It has instruction videos, things as simple as how to set up your commission account, how to set up your Helo app on your phone. It's got some great step-by-step information, a lot of great resources there. It even has a getting started PDF as well. The next website is cnworldgn.com. This is Chad and Natita's site and has some great downloads and additional resources for you as well. Great updates, great site to stay plugged into, and jump in there from time to time because it's always being updated with new and great information. The fourth website is worldgnmarketing.com. This website is everything marketing for your Helo business, flyers, banners, and this is also where you can get your own personal marketing website. You can get your own replicated website set up, worldgnmarketing.com. And great website, great resources, great tools there. And I want to thank Rabu and Michael Rivera and the guys who have put this together for the team. Great marketing resources there. And then the fifth website is the one you're on today, myhelobiz.com. This is the getting started video for all new team members. When somebody says, what do I do next? My answer is go to myhelobiz.com and watch the quick video so you can learn exactly what to do next. myhelobiz.com is where every new person, even if they just want to share this with friends and make a little bit of extra money, this is the video to get them to so they can be doing things the right way and they can be plugged into all of the right resources. And then also make sure that you get with your upline leaders to be added to your team Facebook group. Different leaders have different groups, and you want to make sure you get with your sponsor, get with your upline leaders, and have them add you to your team Facebook group. Lots of recognition, lots of interaction. Anytime there's important announcements or updates, those will always go live first inside the Facebook groups, and you want to interact with that throughout the day. So some great resources there for you to help you build a business. But guys, I just want to reiterate this again. Keep it fun, keep it simple. Literally share the videos, get the message out, get the word out, and you're going to be blown away by the results that you get. I can tell you that I've never had this kind of return on my investment. And when I say investment, I'm talking about the energy that I have invested. I've never had this type of return on my energy investment. Sharing the videos with people, following up with them. I've never seen anything like this, and you're going to experience the same thing as well. So let's have fun with it. Let's keep it light. Let's move it fast, because that's the secret to momentum. And if you have any questions, of course, we're all available as leaders to answer those questions and help you get started the right way. Congratulations again. You deserve this. Your family deserves this. Let's help you make your first check with World Global Network this week. Take action. Let's have some fun. We'll see everybody at the top.